stocks. At best time to buy and sell stock. That sounds complicated. Best time to buy and sell stock. You are given an array prices, where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay. So let's start by adding that as an entry here. What is it? Number 121, pub use. We're going to add these in numerical order here. Best, and I'll just use the full name, time to buy and sell stock. We're going to stretch Rust's ability to parse identifiers. All right, so we'll grab that. We'll say edit source paste.rs, and we will copy paste this function signature in. Oops, we don't need the A. And we'll just return 0. And then just make sure this builds. Okay. So now we're going to write a test. I mean, this seems like a very straightforward kind of problem, right? All we do is look for a low to a high and figure out what the best one is for that. I'm seeing it as an O of n squared problem right now as my first immediate solution, but there's probably a faster way to do it. Assert EQ. We're just passing it a vec, so max profit of vec bang 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4 is equal to 5. Like that. Yeah, so this should fail. Right, we're returning 0 and we're getting back a 5. So let's see if we can write one. I guess the naive solution would be for I in prices 0 dot dot prices dot len minus 1 for j in 1 I plus 1 dot dot prices dot len if prices dot j minus we can just maximize it. Let max let's just call it max 0, and we just say max is equal to max dot max of prices dot j of j minus prices of I. Right, that's super simple, but it's, there's probably a better way to do it. That passes the test. Let's try example 2. Yep, that was right. X2. Just copy and paste this and then modify the array is 7, 6, 4, 3, 1. That's a terrible way for stock to go, and that should be equal to 0. Right, and any negative price will get eliminated by max starting at 0. So that should work. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Let's just copy, paste, shift. Should I do a run code first just to make sure? Speed up. All right, so it worked. Submit. Time limit exceeded. Yeah, so there's probably a smarter way to do it. Oh my goodness. Now that's an array. How many entries are there? If I look for comma, it found 67802. So that means there's 67803 numbers. Yeah, so no wonder that took forever. All right, so we need a smarter way to do it. No problem. So what's the best way to do it is if we want to look for pairs. So we should be able to work our way through and keep track of where the smallest one is, or where the smallest delta is. And yeah, so if we keep track of where the smallest one is. So we can reduce it to O of n, right? If we say our max price is going to start off to be, let's say 0.max of prices of 1 minus prices of 0. So that's going to be our starting point. And our minimum value is going to be prices of 0. Oh, that means we need at least 2. So that means if prices.len is less than 2, return 0. Right, that'll give us that. And then we can say for I in 2 ... prices.len. And now what we can do is so we have the minimum price. If our next price has a bigger maximum, or a bigger delta, so prices of I minus our current min is greater than max, then we want to set max. Oh, we can just say max is equal to max dot prices of I minus min. Right? And then if we found a new min, we want to save that because we want to see if we might be able to find if we find a smaller min, we might have a bigger max delta. Prices of I. So we always keep track of our current min, and our max is going to be whatever the biggest delta is to that, whatever that min is. And that turns it into an O of n problem. And it failed. Oh, max of max there. And it failed. We're expecting 3 and we got 5. Oh. No, that's right. Yeah, we're doing that right because we started 2. And this is example 1's failing. So example 2 is working. Example 1's failing. Let's just walk our way through it. So our first one is 0, right? Max of 0 and max of this delta is 0. And our min is 7. Oh, we need to start at 1 because we need to get the new min of 1 here. I was thinking we started 2 because we already handled 0 and 1, but we didn't check the min for that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's see if this solves the problem without running out of time. Oops. There. Now it's O of 1. So it should run through the 67,000 entries pretty quickly. And it did. But it's only faster than 6.68. So there's an even faster solution for this. But that's fine. It's solved. That's the important thing. Best time to buy and sell stock. Done. All right. Let's commit these changes. Git status, git add source, git commit dash m problem 121. Best time to buy and sell stock. Very nice. Very nice. So we got 4 down.